Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that promises to simplify meal prep and elevate your cooking experience. We found the COSORI 9-in-1 Instant Multi-Cooker, and you'll find a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes this multi-cooker so special. The COSORI Instant Multi-Cooker is a versatile electric pressure cooker that combines the functionality of 9 different appliances in one sleek design. With its 6-quart capacity, this cooker is perfect for families or anyone who loves to meal prep, allowing you to whip up large portions of your favorite dishes effortlessly. So, what exactly can this multi-cooker do? The COSORI 9-in-1 features a range of cooking functions that include pressure cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sterilizing, making oatmeal or porridge, simmering stews and broths, cooking beans and grains, preparing meat and poultry, slow cooking, sautéing, fermenting, sous vide, and of course, keeping your meals warm. This means it can handle just about any recipe you throw at it, making it an indispensable tool in the kitchen. One of the standout features of this multi-cooker is its easy-to-clean design. It boasts a stainless steel, fingerprint-resistant housing, which keeps the exterior looking sleek and clean. The pot gap is widened by 0.5 inches, which makes it easier to clean around the edges. Plus, the lid, inner pot, and accessories are all dishwasher-safe, so cleanup is a breeze. If you prefer washing by hand, the non-stick inner pot is designed for effortless cleaning, ensuring that you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Safety is a top priority with the COSORI multi-cooker. Its ceramic non-stick inner pot is BPA-free for food contact materials and is made without harmful chemicals like PFOAs or PTFE. This means you can cook healthy meals with peace of mind, knowing that you and your family are not exposed to any toxic substances while preparing your favorite dishes. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a busy parent, a college student, or just someone who loves cooking without spending hours in the kitchen, this multi-cooker is perfect for you. Its versatility allows you to experiment with a wide variety of recipes, from quick weeknight dinners to elaborate weekend feasts. Plus, if you're someone who enjoys meal prepping for the week, this cooker can help you save time by preparing multiple meals in one go. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine coming home from a long day at work and being able to prepare a hearty stew in just 30 minutes. With the pressure cooking function, you can transform tough cuts of meat into tender, flavorful dishes in no time. Or perhaps you're in the mood for a comforting bowl of oatmeal on a chilly morning. The oatmeal function takes all the guesswork out of cooking, making breakfast preparation as simple as pressing a button. Additionally, if you're someone who enjoys hosting gatherings, the COSORI multi-cooker can be a real showstopper. You can prepare a delicious paella or a large batch of chili for your guests without having to juggle multiple pots and pans. The Keep Warm feature ensures everything stays at the perfect serving temperature until everyone is ready to dig in. In conclusion, the COSORI 9-in-1 Instant Multi-Cooker is a versatile and efficient kitchen companion that caters to the needs of busy lifestyles while ensuring quality and safety in meal preparation. With its array of features and user-friendly design, it's an investment that can truly transform the way you cook. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.